Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about Lean Six Sigma in the apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Lean Six Sigma. Six Sigma methodologies. Lean Six Sigma. Six Sigma methodologies. DMAIC. An improvement system for existing process falling below specification and looking for incremental improvement. Define, measure, analyze, improve and control. DMA-DV, an improvement system used to develop new process or products at Six Sigma quality levels. Define, measure, analyze, design and verify. Six Sigma DMAIC. Define what is important to the customer, project selection, team formation, established goal. Measure how well we are doing, collect data, construct process flow, validate measurement system, analyze the process, analyze data to identify root causes, improve the process performance, measures, prioritize root causes, innovate pilot solutions, validate the improvement. Control the process gains, ensure that the solution is sustained. What is Lean Six Sigma? Lean. Remove waste, increases speed, removes non-value added process steps, fixes connection between process steps, focuses on the customer. Six Sigma. Reduces variation, improves quality, reduces variation at each remaining step, optimizes remaining process steps, focuses on the customer. Speed, accuracy, better delivery, better quality, satisfied employees, satisfied customers. Lean focus on waste elimination supports Six Sigma quality. Waste elimination eliminates an opportunity to make a defect. Lean goal, improve process performance through waste elimination and cycle time reduction. Focus, bias for action. Method, implement lean tools such as Kaizen events, value stream mapping, 5S, TPM, etc. Deployment, implicit infrastructure, speed, flow, cost. Six Sigma goal, improve process performance in relation to what is critical to the customer. Focus, bias for analysis. Method, use the DMAIC method and quality tools. Deployment, explicit infrastructure, customer satisfaction. Six Sigma quality supports lean speed, less rework means faster cycle time. The 8 wastes of lean manufacturing. Definition of waste: anything that does not transform your product or service into what the customer wants. Anything that does not create value for the customer. Overproduction, inventory, motion, transportation, extra processing, waiting, defects and talent. Overproduction is whenever you make more than it is needed or when you make sooner than it is needed. We don't know if the customer is ever going to buy it, and if it is made earlier we still have to manage it. We have to manage the inventory and move stuff around. Overproduction is the worst of all waste because it multiplies all the other activities involved in the process. Inventory is a waste for many reasons. You have to constantly manage it. It takes up space and spreads out stuff. It makes harder to find things because you have so much and inventory can expire, or you may find defects in the entire batch or lots of inventory, and it also locks up your cash. Motion is about human motion, walking, reaching, lifting, opening, fumbling. It's all motion, and lot of it are not creating any value for the customer. It's just waste. You can walk around and reach for a tool all day long, but the motion of walking and reaching by itself is a waste. Transportation is similar to motion but involves the movement not of people but of stuff. Whenever you are moving something with a truck, a trolley, a cart, or even your bare hands, it is wasted transportation. The transportation by itself is not transforming the product, just like motion, it is just moving things around, so it is a waste. Extra processing is about the added steps and effort taken to get things right. For example, if I did the laundry but didn't get my clothes out of the dryer fast enough, they all get wrinkled, and then if I run a extra cycle in the dryer or run them by hand, that is extra processing. I am taking extra steps to get it correct. In fact, whenever you are reworking a defect, you are performing extra processing. Defects are wasteful, well, because they are defects. It is a bad product or service which has to be scrapped or reworked or somehow fixed. So creating defects is always a waste. Waiting is wasteful for two reasons. We never want to make customers wait because that's just bad, it is bad business. But secondly, if a person or product is just waiting around for something else, that's wasteful time spent. If the product isn't moving but rather waiting for the next person or process is a waste in the system that needs to be eliminated. Talent for wasting people's brain and creativity. If I am not using my brain on the job or just in my life, nothing is going to change. And that is the greatest waste of all. Now you have an overview of all the 8 wastes of lean. You need to memorize them by heart, backward and forward. The reason why, because we have waste all over. The goal of lean is to eliminate this stuff so that we are not struggling and our customers are getting exactly what they want. But you cannot do that if you cannot see waste in the first place. If you cannot see the problem, you are not going to fix it, and so the first step is to learn to see the waste. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.